everybody. This thing won't go down. I'm pushing the escape button. Today we are actually in SCP 3008. We built a really cool base, so I want to share it with you guys. So here's the front. You have to crouch get in. Here are the lights. I'm here with my friends, if you hear background noise. Introduce you guys!
Mahalo, you must now behave. If you're being rude, I shall mute you in the server.
We have a couch.
Me already.
We have a TV. We have a GameCube.
Yeah, that's actually one of the rarest items in the game. I literally found it literally laying on the floor.
Over here is the backyard. Our TV's having a seizure.
It's not really a backyard.
Over here is what we used to have our main place, but now it's kind of empty. Now, if you come up here, guys, that's like a really short video. It's only 1 minute, and I'm already done with the thing almost. Hey Griffy, you wanna come up here and show us your room?
Sure. Okay, guys. Oh my god. If you guys don't ask why I'm a junk bot when I was in Keegan's last video, it was because now I'm doing what Flamingo said. The whole weekend must be junk bots. Now dress up as junk bot.
Okay, just come on, show us your room.
Okay.
Stand right here. Stand right here.
Hello, I'm Tolina Beep Boop Beep. So this is my favorite show. It's called The White Screen.
Ooh.
Here's my little lamp and my two little beds.
I saw an boy just
and outside is what we call. Where's this dang chair? It's called. Well, we kind of ruined it, but I made a freaking tower food. And I call it Jenga.
Oh, yeah, I actually need some food. I wasn't even paying attention.
Don't eat my food, you criminal!
Hey, it's up.
Okay, now we shall go into the next bedroom. Mahalia, come up here and show us your room.
Huh?
Stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll show you this girl's room. It's not finished because she needs a lot of things. And I'm pushing escape. And it's not going down. Hey, stop putting that on my hair. So yeah, this is her room. It kind of sucks. Now here's the best room of all. My room. Ha ha ha!
You know what's actually your room?
What?
The back room.
What? Stop! Stop messing up my walls! Give me back my wall. Ah!
More pallets. Then we can finish.
Give me back my wall! Griffy, I need a pallet!
Put my pallet down on where we're supposed to,
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
Griffy, if you tell me your YouTube channel, I will link it in the description.
No.
No? You don't want to be promoted? Okay, it actually turned night. That nearly gave me a heart attack. Here's my bouncy bed.
Mahalia, what happened to your wall?
What? What happened to our wall?
No, what happened to the wall that Mahalia got?
What? I like her.
Mahalia brought a pallet.
Okay, here's my room.
Ow.
Here's my desk where I do my homework and stuff. Here's my blinding TV.
No, it's called the White Show.
Okay, yeah, the white show. Whatever. Then here's where we hide from our enemies.
Well, the employees.
No, our enemies. And the enemy is clearly my best friend. Ah! I'm being devoured!
By what?
Mahalia.
Okay, I'm gonna have to unmute Mahalia now.
Oh, you muted her?
Yeah, cause
out of my room.
Hey, he was kind enough to unmute you.
yeah,
Okay,
but I need to do it again.
I'm gonna do my outro now.
Also trying to make your house. Most of me was making the house. Come on.
I'm gonna do my outro now.
Okay, that was probably the most shortest video you'll ever do.
It's only 5 minutes. I've done shorter. Okay, well, bye, everybody. Stare at this blinding TV. Okay, Discord server in the description, and bye-bye.